Episode 2 of Season 2. Master data versus transactional data. Two kinds of data every ERP runs on, with completely different rules. Six pieces to this one. What each data type is, why the rules diverge, and why most ERP problems live on the master side. Plus why there's a whole software category built around master data governance. Master data is the slow-changing, shared reference data that describes the things your business deals with. If the business is a play, master data is the cast list and the props inventory. The customer master, the vendor master, every material you make, buy, or sell. The employee master, the asset register, the chart of accounts itself. Three things characterize master data. It's slow-changing. A customer record lives for years before anything changes. It's shared. The same record is referenced by thousands of transactions. And it's authoritative. When the master says net 30, net 30 is the truth the whole system uses. Transactional data is the opposite. High volume, event-driven, time-stamped records of what happens in the business over time. Sales orders, deliveries, invoices, credit notes. Purchase orders, goods receipts, vendor invoices. Every journal entry, every inventory movement, every production confirmation, every timesheet. Three properties characterize transactional data. High volume, often 1,000 transactions for every master record. Single purpose. Each one is a specific event that happened, not something you update later. And derivative. Every transaction inherits meaning from the master data it references. Because the properties diverge, every serious ERP applies different rules to each type. Governance. Master data changes go through controls, credit approval, tax validation, duplicate checking. Transactional data is created all day through normal operations. Nobody approves every purchase order. Storage. Master data lives indefinitely. Transactional data gets archived to cold storage after a few years. Change history. Master data changes are audited line by line. Transactional data is append only, never mutated. Ownership. Master data has formal owners and stewards. Transactional data is nobody's to own. It's the record of the business operating. The instinct is to think of master data as boring setup work. In practice, it's the single most common source of problems in an operational ERP. Three failure modes dominate. Silent propagation. A wrong VAT number on a customer master produces thousands of wrong invoices, and finance may not notice for months. Invisible duplicates. Acme Corp. and Acme Corporation exist as two customers. Invoices don't consolidate. Credit limits don't combine. Merging them later is a heavyweight operation, repointing every historical transaction at one record. And stale data. The customer moved 5 years ago. The master never caught up. The system quietly operates on yesterday's reality. Enterprises learned, often painfully, that master data management doesn't happen by itself. The discipline has a name, MDM, Master Data Management, in the generic term, MDG, Master Data Governance, in SAP's specific product. It's a multi-billion-dollar software category in its own right. What it actually does: workflow-driven creation. A new customer isn't one-click entry. Credit, tax, and sales ops each sign off. Duplicate prevention. Fuzzy matching at entry catches Acme Corp. Before it becomes a duplicate. And central hubs. Master data flows from one source of truth out to every consuming system. Pull it all together. Every ERP has two kinds of data in it. Master data is the slow-moving foundation. Transactional data is the fast-moving record of what happened. They have different governance, different life cycles, different failure modes, different owners. Master data problems propagate silently. Transactional data problems are loud and local. The useful instinct: distinguish them at a glance. Customer data problem almost never means the sales orders are wrong. It means the customer master is. Quick recap. Master data: slow changing, shared, authoritative. Customers, vendors, materials, employees, accounts. Transactional data: high volume, time-stamped, derivative, orders, invoices, journals, movements. The rules diverge: governance, storage, history, ownership. Two types, two playbooks. Master data is where most things break. MDM exists because it matters. That's episode 2 of season 2. Episode 3 takes one transaction and follows it through the system end to end. One sales order, through delivery, through invoice, through journal entry, through reporting. See you there.